Hi everyone, welcome to the Passion for Purple open collaboration hosted by Metal Scrap and Chick. Yeah, you're looking at green. I have had this Doodlebug Design Paper Plus Value Pack winter assortment, although there's flowers in here, so who knows. Anyway, um, there's this piece of paper that has purple in it and it's wintry. And this is the back of that paper. So I'm using that. And I pulled out this one which says glitter finish, which is this one. But quite honestly, this is going to go in the trash because the glitter is coming off everywhere. This one is just plain on the back. Unless I don't think I have a spray fixative to keep it in spot, and I don't use hairspray, so I just don't want to have glitter everywhere, and it is getting everywhere. So I apologize, Doodlebug, but yeah, I can't deal with it. So I'm going to fold it in half because there's even glitter on the back here. But I am going to use this, and uh, I see I just dropped it all over my lap, the glitter, and on this wrapper. So let me brush that off. Anyway, so here's what I've done. I pulled out embellishments that I made probably a year ago. I think this is gorgeous great, but I pulled out Highland Heather because I had it out since yesterday. All these embellishments I made last year with that same paper pad and these foamy stickers. Now I will say, as I make these, I had used tape runner. Yeah, not sticking. Half of them were off, and a lot of these gems, not those ones, but these blue ones here, most of them came off. I did bring in this Snowflake Doodlebug washi tape that has some purple in it. Now some of these don't have purple except there, and on this one I put washi tape over a scrap of white. And you see I have to fix that. I wrapped it around the back, and this is the back of the snowflake paper. So I'm going to do something with that. I don't know if I'm going to put sentiments on these. I might bring in some more cardstock and run it through a snowflake embossing folder. I think I'm going to do that. I also have this washi tape should I choose to do it, but I think it's going to be too busy with this pattern. If I use this pattern, maybe I can put some polka dots across it. That's the back of that. And that's what I have on here. Or I can put something in the background. I don't know, but this is where I'm starting with these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 embellishments that have to do with snowflakes and have purple in some of them and all of them with the paper and the card base. So that's going to be my project, and I'll come back and show you what I've done. And then I don't know if I'll get to these, but maybe these were made at a different time and they're more springy. And I'm thinking I'm going to make little note cards with these. I don't remember if this was Fresh Freesia or if it was Pretty Posy Stampin' Up! Color. But I've got some Dollar Tree stickers on here, some Stampin' Up! Colors. Those are Dollar Tree, I think, too. And I don't even remember where this came out of. The ribbon was Stampin' Up! Though. Anyway, so I have 4 of those, and they're purple, and I'll try and do something with them too, because I'm trying to use my embellishments. And then these don't have anything to do with purple, but we're supposed to get a little snow this week, starting actually later today into tomorrow. And so these were a totally different collection, and they're not purple, but I might be doing something with these soon next because they're wintry, right? Before winter is over. So let me get started, and I have to fix all these first so they don't fall apart, and get my embossing folders out and finish them up, and I'll be back. Okay, everyone, I'm back. This is all I have left of that one 12 by 12 sheet of Doodlebug paper that had 2 patterns, front and back. The glittered purple polka dot one did go in the trash, and I have still glitter everywhere. So I have five cards. I didn't get to the note cards with the non-Doodlebug stuff. So this is the first one. I did this washi panel, And this, I used the retired postage stamp punch, and all these cards, I used this sentiment Warm Wishes, which is out of Very Cute, which was just this past, the past mini holiday catalog from Stampin' Up. So I think it's retired now, I think. I'm not sure. Check. But anyway, I used that Warm Wishes. And on one or two of them, I also used this snowflake out of there. Oops, sorry, I'm dropping things here. Um, and then I found this gem actually was, I actually had some more. It's these, somebody had gifted them to me, but these are the ones that they're all attached like a string, so you had to cut them apart. And I had to put glue in the hole of this foam embellishment, and all these ones that are bumped up, that's what came off. The dimensionals didn't hold through the this this meshy stuff. But I also had tape runner back there. It didn't hold the dimensionals down either. So I used liquid glue, and I put a block on and let it dry. And then I even took my bone folder on most of them and went around the edges of the white and made sure it stuck. And then this is also bumped up on dimensionals, Warm Wishes. This is my least favorite one. I feel like I should have done something in the background, but anyway, it is what it is. This one is, these were not on dimensionals and they had held. And also, so far, knock on wood, these glittery things held. I did the Warm Wishes again, but this time I used a new set. And it is the dies from Stampin' Up's Thoughtful Expressions, which are brand new. It's this one right here. And yeah, it's, oh, and also on this background, which is Highland Heather, I used this Brutus Monroe. Oh, hang on, I have the wrapper here. Oops. I don't know how old this is. It's Snowflakes BRU0352 Mixed Media Stencil. That's what it looks like. I used that, and I think I used it like this. Is that right? Yeah, because here's the spikies. So I used this side, and then I had to cut it down. And just while I'm showing things, I didn't use it on this card, but on one of the cards I used a Stampin' Up. Oh shoot, where's the Snowflake Sky 3D embossing folder, and that was from the 2023 September to December mini part of the Berry Christmas suite. The bears are what I used for the Warm Wishes. So, not on this card though. And this one, I just went around the edge of this before I bumped it up with some gray marker just to make it stand off the card a little more. Then this one, I took a piece of white paper. This is the Starry Sky, this Snowflake Sky 3D embossing folder. And I did it on white, and then I just took my blending brush and rubbed Highland Heather over it. I see I have a little ink spot up there, which I'll get later. And then I actually found I still had those. Those are Gorgeous Grape Glossy Dots assortment. I don't think they're still available. But the colors I think are, I don't think I have them written on here, do I? Gorgeous Grape, Melon Mambo, Daffodil Delight, and Pool Party. So all those colors are still available, so maybe, I don't know. But anyway, I had used those on this. First I thought they were Dollar Tree ones, but they're not. They're Stampin' Up. So I just put one more here to even it out. That's those. This one again was those blue dots, and I did the same Snowflake Sky in the background. And all this paper is the Doodle Bug, that one sheet from what I showed you in the very beginning. All these ones here, this, and this one, and this first one that were popped up, had to be re-glued down, and the gem had to be re-glued in the middle. Now this one I had used green puffy snowflakes, which are probably Dollar Tree or Walmart or something like that. But I found the ribbon that I had used on this one. This is the one I stamped the little snowflake from the Berry Cute. I stamped Warm Wishes in Coastal Cabana, which I think is what this color is, because I already had more purple in the background, and I put the ribbon across, which is Highland Heather. It's from 21 to 22, so I'm sure it's retired. But I thought it was sparkly and nice. Add a little more sparkle there. I kind of messed up because of the placement. I should have done this, and then moved this one over to the center, but I already had that glued down, and this wasn't thinking that this one, I didn't have this up high enough, I guess, is what I'm saying, where I could have moved this more into the middle, which was my original intent. And then these had Stampin' Up's iridescent rhinestone basic jewels. They might still be available, I'm not sure. Anyway, I still have them, and I figured out that's what they were, so I just put 3 smaller ones here on that Warm Wishes. And that's what I made for Passion for Purple. And I don't know if these were embellishments from the 11th, or for a while I had been participating in a Twinchy open collab in 2023. I think those might have all been for Twinchies, because I think they are Twinchies. Yeah, they're 2-inch square on the white background part. So I'm pretty sure those were from the open Twinchy collab, but they're still embellishments. So hashtag use those embellishments, right? And hashtag passion for purple. If I didn't mention it, this is an open collab hosted by Metal Scrap and Chick. And the idea is just use something purple. And on my channel, I think, I'm not 100% sure, I think every other month I'll be participating on this channel, and then the opposite, every other month I'll be participating on my Dahlia Designs Jewelry and More channel and making some purple jewelry. So please visit both on the, what is today, 15th of each month at noon Eastern. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hugs, love, and peace.